Omu district ya Ntungamo akaruru karanjero rwo bicweka yo na musinguzi niwe yabakebembire na n'ubucweka nkaga na butano harigana kandi we wari kunyorana nawo mu guha Philip Ankwasa yabaye n'ubucweka 15 okurwa mu polling stations 13 ezitire har polling stations 26
twakoze na reporter police twakoze petition yitu and we hope this petition is going to be taken serious. Kugamba abente byo kubera ntwazibwa kandi petition yo kubanza petition ya kabiri twe twa petition even before all this happened awe tubentureba violence gangs zibese mobilized mu municipality yitomu kidnappers is taking the place mu karuromu
abahagizi bayo na musinguzi obwa hato ryo mu irwaro omukujanja benkoneza umwasoro umutwe nyumwe abaziyo bo batandikira ko kujaguza
kumurangera na 65% amukuratire full patire akamutera musmaro umutwe yabaza kufuna 15%. Zirakaruru kedembe tona numanya message yabayine ronda karuru kedembe ko kabukushesha tukuzakatera motoka zituzona bakazata bisakuranya abarwana kone senkoni no kurwana hato bashwara muri Islamani ganyu kandi mu kibakaruru kanyu kakumatarinda
ubwa Ruhama Maine nabwe okubara kwa hendero mvuyo bithenurezi nkuratire niwe yabakebembire
akarebereho register nemwe so tukumanya yaba nebushuba yaba tubushuba but we never managed to get even one register is a fake zibabiri bagamba
ishaze rya Ruhama Maine oku omahagiza fire bwanyuma yo kurwanagana Moses Kahima niwe yaranjerwa nko musinguzi na n'ubururu mutwaro gumwe 15 bibi rubona Advan Mbabazi yihayo bururu kenda runani 13 rero we Benjamin Kamukama otwira ryo munyishenjero yihayo bururu kakaga rushanjo nkaga hamwe na nabandi nawe mekabashara yasinge ya rushenyi na n'uburure mutware 2 rukumi bishati 10 rero Habati Nyongozi yihayo bururu mutwaro gumwe dushanjo 2 na nabandi
ubururu bwitu bubire bugumira munonga abuko biruburu rwa sente abantu demand zabo zibire unbearable nangwa kinyerekere ngo even n'ibintu bituri gukora abantu bakubireba kurekana bareba ka sente akuwa bahereze bizo
okubara karuru mu district ya Ntungamo na hatukucira umuntu kugendo misho ahabwisha ziri akajara kandi akabanyishenjero kazi kasingwa na manya viola bloko arukusingo twireho nko munyishenjero Joseline Bataka maternity
I am happy to announce that at my polling station I have won by very many votes. I'm so happy. I want to thank my people for that love. Thank you so much. You've loved me and I know with God's help we are winning this election.
Omuri district ya Kasese batandika no kuranjera Kambare Ferigo asinjire ya Kasese municipality arukusinga abantu bona babira abamwesimbireho Dr. Crispus Chionga yasinge ya Bukonzo West obwari kusinga Godfrey Kabyanga or state minister wa Kanyabwenje na nokhaburi hanga
Team oye
abandi abakwasire bendera y'ikibineki haba harumu David Mulindwa owabusongora Thausi Honorable Sowedi Chitanywa owabusongora North Dr. Mande Rudey owa Bukonzo East na Nasara Ithungo Masereka owatwariye munyishenjero kazi
Nza kusaba buri muntu tuganyirengana kandi kihe yamutuma tikyanguhire abantu ku kwankwa kutekana zevenaga
I congratulate my colleagues, those who participated in this election to date from the beginning. That can be Nashuna, the Honorable Kambale Frego, Imani Shimwe, all of those who participated. All we have seen this evening is the announcement of the gentleman who won the election squarely.
Honorable Mbahimba James, Honorable Mbahimba James, ndogera lero ndagala mubulire Honorable muulirize Honorable Mbahimba James yaze lero ku macha mu Taling Center nagamba muulirize nagamba inze chairman wa wandu wa Kasese district Mbahimba James mulangirire byembagamba.
Ahabwa TV West and Elias Ratugusa na Gilbert Muhanguzi.